Welcome to today's video. Your smartphone is a gateway to your personal data, finances, and even your identity, making security more important than ever. In this video, we'll explore the safest smartphone unlocking options available and how you can secure your device against potential threats. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end, a simple step to enhance your smartphone's security immediately. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who cares about protecting their digital life. Let's start with a classic option, pins and passwords. How it works. You set a numeric PIN or alphanumeric password to unlock your phone. Pros. It's secure when combined with a long, unique password. Cons. It can be guessed if you use something simple like 1234 or password. Security tip. Use at least 8 characters, including numbers, symbols, and upper/lowercase letters. Avoid common pins like your birth year or 0000. Let me know in the comments if you're guilty of using a weak pin. Fingerprint scanners are a popular and convenient choice. How it works. Your fingerprint is scanned and stored as encrypted data for unlocking your phone. Pros. It's fast, reliable, and hard to duplicate. Cons. Dirt or moisture can interfere with the scanner's accuracy. Security tip. Add multiple fingerprints for consistent access and ensure your screen and sensor stay clean. Share in the comments if you've had issues with fingerprint scanning. Facial recognition is becoming more advanced. How it works. Your phone uses a front-facing camera or infrared sensors to map your face for secure unlocking. Pros. Modern facial recognition is fast and works in various lighting conditions. Cons. Lower-end systems can be fooled with a photo, and wearing masks or glasses might cause issues. Security tip. Use devices with 3D facial recognition for better security. Let me know in the comments if you prefer facial recognition over other methods. Some smartphones combine multiple biometrics for added security. How it works. Devices may require both a fingerprint and a facial scan for unlocking. Pros. This layered approach increases security against unauthorized access. Cons. It can be slightly slower and might not work well in all conditions. Security tip. Enable biometric combinations if your phone supports it for extra peace of mind. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you use this method? These cutting-edge methods are available on select devices. Iris scanner scans your eye's unique pattern for high security. Voice recognition unlocks your phone using a specific phrase. Pros. Both methods offer unique and secure alternatives to traditional unlocking. Cons. Limited availability and potential for interference in certain conditions. Security tip. Always have a backup method like a PIN in case these advanced options fail. Let me know if your device supports these futuristic features. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your phone. Even if someone gains access to your device, 2FA adds an extra layer of protection for sensitive accounts and apps. Thank you for watching this video on the safest smartphone unlocking options for better security. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with others who value their digital safety. Which unlocking method do you use and why? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your preferences and experiences. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.